Apocalypse.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another amazing day of modular technology. Today, we're going to use that MT Tools folder and we're going to learn about powder scenes. Start by double-clicking on journals and then look for today's date. Every year this is going to change and I'll probably reuse this movie, but today it is 1/15/19, and when you launch it, you're going to see all of these special little files that are .cps. You may or may not be able to see the CPS, but what we need to do is we need to right-click on them and choose the Open or Open With. You need to click Browse for the item we're going to use, and we need to go up to the very top and choose Windows. Make sure you help your neighbors with this so that it works for everybody. And then down the list, we want to find the Powder folder, and we want to simply choose powder.exe. The first time you launch this, it'll probably pop an error. You'll just have to confirm and continue and dismiss, and then close it because you probably won't get that cool screen. But then the second time you launch it, it will show up, maybe with a warning, but you'll finally get to see the cool project. Now, these were created by people on the internet. They start in paused mode. I'm going to click once to get rid of the little screen explaining it. And this is what is called a powder scene. Powder scenes are a ton of fun, and they're usually started by the spark. When you read things here, they tell you what to do. You can click here and find out who made it. More importantly, though, you need to find the detonation switch, which is right down here. Unpause it, and then click the detonation switch and see what you get. Have fun when you're done exploring this one. Make sure you close it and just check out all the other ones I've put in this folder. I may add more throughout the day, so if there are extras, you may check those out. Please have a ton of fun with it. If you enjoy the movie, please hit that like button. If you got a question or a comment, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button and click that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.